So today we will be, as I was telling you, we will be doing a bit of space planning. For that, any space you need to analyze it first. You need to analyze a space before doing the planning, correct? You need to know what is that space. Okay, so let's take this picture. So you need to know the measurement of this room. That's the first thing. I think someone said, no, I think Mahesh told. You need to know the measurement of the space that you're working for. Okay, and then make note of the doors and the windows. Where is the door? Where is the window? Because according to the doors and window position only, you will be able to arrange your furnitures, right? So these days, if you look at these high-rise apartments or flat, people are very particular to have the window should have good views. They are very particular about it because they want to have their study table or their coffee tables along the window. Okay, so make note of the window positions. See where is the beam, columns, structural element. Okay, and then you need to know what is the purpose of this particular room. So this is the room. You need to know what is this room the client wants this room to be, right? So you need to know the purpose of the space. If they are going to make that the study space or the living space or the dining space. But of course, these days, if you look at the flat concept, no, they have everything segregated already. This is bedroom, this is bathroom, this is kitchen and all. Correct? And you need to determine the flow of the movement, like how people will move around the room. You need to determine that. Okay, and for all these you need to have, you need to furniture's good lighting and color play a major role. Okay, any doubts till now? Okay, now that you've analyzed the space, you need to know the requirements of the space, right? So these are the few questions that you can ask your clients, like what is the concept that you're looking for? What colors do you prefer? Do you have any patterns in mind? Do you have any inspirational pictures? What is the purpose of this room? So what kind of furnitures you want? Okay, so there are people, for example, okay, what all furnitures do you have in your living space? Can you guys start telling one by one?
Sofa,
Sofa,
Sofa, okay.
table,
Computer
TV
table,
unit,
okay.
TV unit,
Computer table, living
TV
space,
unit.
center table,
center
center
table,
table,
okay, TV unit, okay. So these
even
are
dining.
The
basically,
space,
yeah, if it's a combined area, dining table, okay, fine. So
if the space is
some
more,
people,
we can Indian sitting divan.
yeah, divan, okay, fine.
Okay.
But few people are very particular that they don't want TV unit in living space. Okay, they will take the TV unit to the bedrooms. Sometimes, not all, but sometimes some people, they take the TV units to the bedrooms and they want, nice furnitures in the living space. They might have lots of guests. So to accommodate all the people, they might want to have a lots of sofas or lots of furnitures. Some people might want to turn their living space into a library. Like they have lots of books, they want to sit and read there. So you need to know what are the interests and hobbies of people. Okay. And of course, this is very important, the client's budget. So some people, if you directly ask them what is your budget, some people might mistake. So you should not directly ask them what is your budget, not to all people. So that you will get to know only with practice. But indirectly, you will have to ask them. So all this we'll see in phase 3. Okay, talking to clients and all that, we will be dealing that in phase 3. Okay, but here for the activity that we'll be doing, please don't consider budget, because with budget all your you will have too many restrictions. But as of now, I want you to go as much as creative as possible.